Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use a promo code within the Cointiply application to get rewards. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Cointiply application on your device, and after you have logged in using your credentials, you will be taken into the home page. From here, if you wish to use a promo code that you have, then tap on the menu icon at the top left corner. Then within the menu icon, you will see the enter a promo code option. Go ahead and tap on it, and now you will be able to use your promo code. Tap on the given box and then type in your promo code right away. Just type in your promo code and then tap on the redeem button, and this will then check whether the code is legit. If the promo code is a valid one, then you will be given the reward right away, and you can use as many promo codes as you wish as long as they are legit. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to use a promo code on the Cointiply application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.